Good evening friend. Here we are showing you 75 kilo hammer machine. This is called 75 kilo power hammer machine, clutch power hammer machine. 75 kilo means this is 75 kilo, the weight of the falling part is the 75 kilo. This means the 75 kilo capacity of the machine. This is the 75 kilo machine. This is, it is around 6.5 inch, 6.5 inch, 6.5 inch, okay, and its length is 15 inch, okay. This machine is specially made for forging heavy material, 4 inch, 3 inch material, heavy material for forging industrial material. And we are made this very heavy duty machine for mainly for industrial purpose. It works on 3-phase power only, and this machine is very heavy duty machine. All springs, all these are left, right, center bolt, this bearing system and clutch system, all things heavy, and we have made the counter also very heavy, okay. The machine runs by 3-phase motor. This is 3-phase motor, company motor branded. And another thing, the machine is equipped with this anvil, heavy 750 kilogram anvil, and another anvil about that, and this iron and gun. This anvil is around 12 inch anvil, and its length is around 4 feet. And machine, it is under the foundation. On this foundation we have to make the foundation. After that machine work on that anvil. Machine is mainly, our machine are very heavy duty, durable, easy to operate, easy to maintain, very low maintenance. Our machine has very low maintenance, and we are giving machine very quality product. Our company name BHARAT Steel Works, working since 70 years in this hammer machine line. We are reputed company and supplying all over India, abroad also, nearby country, Bangladesh, Nepal, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, African countries, USA countries, some all over India we are supplying all this machine. Our company totally is skilled operated. All the machine works are totally done by our company in-house, okay. This machine can forge this 4 inch by 4 inch. This machine can forge this much thickness material. We can make the beater from this material, beater, knife and all thing. This type of heavy material this machine can forge, okay. 3.5 inch. This is 4 and 4.5 inch. This type of material it can forge the machine. It is mainly made for heavy industrial purpose only. This machine quality is so much good. We are taking repeated order also. This machine is equipped with a double counter system. Here we can show the counter. Counter is inbuilt here. The double counter system, motor is running by counter and the machine will be run by the counter, okay. The machine is the V-belt type, heavy duty clutch, all imported bearing. We are putting the bearing, all export quality bearing, okay. Machine pipe are heavy gauge, frame also heavy gauge, thickness seamless pipe. Here in the head we have put the bearing system, so it will be easy to operate. Bearing system machine can run very smoothly. Our company name BHARAT Steel Works, located in DEHGAM. Our village town is DEHGAM, taluka is DEHGAM, district Gandhinagar. It is nearby Ahmedabad, only 30 km from Ahmedabad. Our state is Gujarat, India. Our company WhatsApp number is 98240-19347. It is always on. You can call anytime, okay. We are mostly serving the best services, and totally all over India we are supplying our machine. This is 75 kilo capacity machine. It is called the 75 kilo machine. It is, our brand name is Hercules power hammer machine. You can see this name, Hercules power hammer machine is our brand name, and our company is BHARAT Steel Works, Haji Fakir Muhammad, okay.